In this video, we will learn how to set the title on the OTBI graph. The text over here is the title of the graph. To update title, click on the XYZ properties. Go to titles and labels. By default, the title name is the measure name. Uncheck. Here I can give the name as how much time is taken to close a period. Click on OK button. A good title should tell the reader about the data being displayed and other relevant data. To format and highlight titles, again navigate to the titles and label. Select the title formatting. Go to font format. Select the font family. Set color as brown as per my requirement, and I will keep the style as regular and increase the font size to 16. Click on OK. Let's review the title. If you still feel it is not properly emphasized, we can increase its size and make it bold. Sometimes the user may think the title should be at the top of everything. We can remove the title from the graph by clicking on the XYZ properties, titles and labels, remove, click OK. Now go to the title view at the top, edit, uncheck the display saved name and paste the name over here, and we can have the same formatting, font, color and size of 20. So we can save it and verify the title. Please note that the narrative view can be used to generate more dynamic titles. We may cover this thing under the advanced topic in future. Till then, I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to be notified for similar videos in future, please subscribe to the channel. For any question related to video, post your comments. For any report development, please contact us at the email address provided in the description. Thank you for giving your time. Have a nice day.